Today is the day that the Hallelujah Chorus is singing because I am teaching you about the standard method to multiply decimals. The method that your parents learned, I learned, everyone else who did not learn Common Core. So, standard method. Okay, so it is very simple. So, say I went to a play with Zoya. We went to a play to go see, I don't know, some wonderful Broadway production. We'll say we went to go see The Lion King. It's phenomenal. If you haven't seen it, go see it. Wonderful. So Zoya and I went there, and we went to go see this play. And when we were there, we decided we wanted some Skittles. Skittles cost a whopping $1.95 per bag. And I didn't have lunch or breakfast or snack that day, so I was really hungry, and I didn't really care if I was going to get a tummy ache later. So we got 16 bags. Okay? So, this is how you do it. 1.95 times 16. Now, you do not have to line up the decimals. You don't when you're multiplying, only when you're multiplying. Only when you're multiplying. That is key. Key number one. So, I'm going to now ignore the decimal. Multiply like I would with the normal problem. 6 times 5 equals 30. Put my 0 there, carry my 3. 6 times 9 equals 54 plus 3. 54 plus 3 equals 57, so I'm going to put a 7 here and carry my 5. Then 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 5 equals 11. Now I'm going to put a placeholder. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 1 equals 1. Going to add them up. 0. That would become 12. 2, carry my 1. That becomes 11. That becomes 3. I am not done because I would promise you I would not pay $3,120 for 16 bags of Skittles. I hope that is Costco amounts of Skittles if that was the case. So, I'm going to count how many decimal places I multiplied with. So, I have 1, 2. I have 2 place values behind the decimal that I multiplied with. 2. Okay? I'm not counting how many decimals I have, how many place values I have after the decimal. So I have 2, so I'm going to go from right to left. 1, 2. So that means my answer is I paid $31.20 for those Skittles. Now this is a great method to use if you're using big numbers, because I can promise you I don't want to be doing 16 or $1.95, writing that out 16 times. And I don't want to be doing area model with that, and I don't want to be doing grids with that or number lines. So this is the best method or the quickest method to do. This is a method you can use to solve the problems and then check with another method. Okay, we're going to do one more problem. Let me think who I want to use this time. We're going to say I'm going to use Christian. Okay, so say Christian and I went to Walmart and we bought some footballs. No, we'll say basketballs. And the basketballs cost $7.83 per basketball. Did I say football? Whatever. We're going to say basketball. And Christian wants 26. One for every student in here. So we're going to need to multiply. So we're going to do $7.83 times 26. We're not going to need, remember, step or key number 1, we do not have to line our decimals up. So 6 times 3 equals 18. Carry my 1. 6 times 8 equals 48 plus 1, 49. 6 times 7 equals 42. 42 plus 4 equals 46. Now, placeholder, because I'm now multiplying in the tens. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 8 equals 16. Put a 6 there. Carry my 1. 2 times 7 equals 14 plus 1 equals 15. I'm going to add it up. 8, 15, 13, 10, 2. Now, I'm not done yet. I need to count how many place values were behind the decimals I used. 1, 2. I didn't use any decimals in that problem. So I'm going to go 1, 2. So that means we would have spent $2 or $203.58. Now I'm going to give you a problem to try and bring back to school, and it's going to be tricky. Okay? It's going to be tricky. So I want you to try 1447 times, say, 662. Okay, so say we went to the grocery store and I bought shrimp. Oh, I love some good old shrimp, or lobster, or crab legs, whatever one you prefer. But I bought them, and I bought 6 pounds, 6.6 and 62 hundredths worth of a pound. Okay, so that's how much it cost, or that's how much pounds I bought, and this is how much it costs per pound. So please let me know how much money I spent on that wonderful seafood. Come back with any questions. Remember, you're going to move your decimal 4 places because you have multiplying with 2 sets, or 4 place values after the decimals. And I'm sending a shout out to Hatham.